Welcome to Unseen Inspire. Close your eyes, and let's take a powerful journey together, one that will awaken your inner strength and fill you with unstoppable confidence. Take a deep, slow breath in, and exhale, releasing any tension. Imagine yourself standing on the edge of a serene, golden beach at sunrise. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft sand beneath your feet. A brilliant, golden light starts to surround you, seeping into every corner of your mind and body. This is your light, your inner strength, your deep reservoir of confidence. Let it grow brighter with each breath, radiating positivity and calm. Now, silently repeat after me. I am fearless. I am limitless. I am unstoppable. With every inhale, you draw in energy, strength, and self-belief. With every exhale, release any doubts or fears, watching them drift away like waves retreating into the ocean. Feel yourself standing taller, your heart beating with purpose, your mind clear and focused. You are more than capable, you are a force of nature. You are ready to conquer whatever lies ahead with courage and confidence. When you open your eyes, carry this unbreakable spirit with you. Embrace today with passion, knowing that you are limitless. Thank you for spending this moment with Unseen Inspire. Remember, your potential is infinite, use it to light up the world.